Hi, it's Britt with ShirtSpace. Isn't it annoying when you can't seem to find a tee that feels just right? Some t-shirts are too heavy and some are just too light. Well, today we're going to talk about a t-shirt that's the perfect weight for year-round temps, apparel decoration, and an all-around comfortable feel. If you're not an avid garment decorator or a t-shirt connoisseur, you're probably wondering what the weight of a t-shirt has to do with its look or feel. Well, let's break it down a little bit further for you. Besides the actual heaviness of the t-shirt at hand, the weight impacts other aspects of the t-shirt as well. So let's go into a little more depth. A lightweight t-shirt will be very thin and breathable. It will have an extra drapiness to the fabric, and it will likely be more see-through than a heavier t-shirt. Women often wear a camisole or a trendy sports bra underneath, and t-shirts that are lightweight are very soft to the touch. A heavyweight t-shirt is very thick and durable. The fabric will likely be very opaque, not showing anything through. It might not be as soft as a lightweight t-shirt, but it's great for embroidery and heavy-duty activities. Now to visit the midweight tee. A lot of people love midweight tees because they fall somewhere in the middle of all the features of a lightweight and a heavyweight t-shirt. They're softer than a heavyweight tee, but also more durable and less transparent than a lightweight tee. They're not too thick and they're not too thin. They're just right. Now that you've waited all this time, let's finally talk about a t-shirt that is truly the perfect weight. The District DT104 Perfect Weight t-shirt is a unisex tee that weighs only 4.3 ounces and is made from 100% combed and ring spun cotton, making for a very comfortable and versatile t-shirt. It is super soft, but it's also constructed for longevity. The DT104 is a classic cut, but it's also very fashionable at the same time. With a 1x1 rib neck and shoulder-to-shoulder taping, unraveling strings and poorly sewn seams are nothing to worry about with this t-shirt. 25 colors round out a versatile color palette. Classic colors like black, red, white, and a variety of grays are always there, or go for a shade inspired by nature like seaglass blue, maritime blue, or forest green. If you are a coffee fiend, colors like heathered latte and espresso stand apart. For lovers of warm berry shades, the DT104 has colors like heathered loganberry and sangria. The DT104 is transitioning from a sewn-in label to a tearaway, which is great for apparel decorators that want to replace the tag with their own personal branding, or for people that just don't like tags and want to ditch the itch. If you customize t-shirts, you're in luck, because the DT104 is perfect for screen printing with water-based, discharge, and plastisol inks. You can also use heat transfer vinyl, but as always, check your heat settings, and you can direct to garment print and embroider as well. And this is a great t-shirt for tie-dye because it's made from 100% cotton. The District DT104 tee comes in sizes extra small through 4XL, so you can get them while they're hot at ShirtSpace.com, the best place to visit for all of your blank apparel needs. If you have any questions about shirt weight, the District DT104, or another t-shirt, make sure to let us know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe, turn on your notifications, and have a great rest of your day. In case you're in need of a science lesson today, did you know during sublimation printing, solid ink is changed to gas without passing through the liquid form using heat and pressure? You can call me Professor Brittany.